Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities on its own or combined with other technologies, e.g., sensors, geolocation, robotics. AI can perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence or intervention. Digital assistants, GPS guidance, autonomous vehicles, and generative AI tools, like OpenAI's ChatGPT, are just a few examples of AI in the daily news and our daily lives. As a field of computer science, artificial intelligence encompasses and is often mentioned together with machine learning and deep learning. These disciplines involve the development of AI algorithms, modeled after the decision-making processes of the human brain, that can learn from available data and make increasingly more accurate classifications or predictions over time. Artificial intelligence has gone through many cycles of hype, but even to skeptics, the release of chat seems to mark a turning point. The last time generative AI loomed this large, the breakthroughs were in computer vision, but now the leap forward is in natural language processing, NLP. Today, generative AI can learn and synthesize